Snapper's trying to get my fish. Check it out. You crazy snapper. Get him? Do you? Oh, I think I'm gonna get you. Oh, oh, let go! Go, let go! Come on! Seriously, are you gonna let go? No? You want that fish, don't you? You really want him. Come on, let go. You gotta let go. No, I think he's not gonna let go. I think he's got him. Come on, let go. Come on, you can do it. Come on. You gotta let go. No, you're not gonna let go. What a crazy turtle. He says, I got it. I'm not letting go. I don't care what you do. Well, dang you. Come on. Come on. You can let go. You can do it. You don't want that hook, dude. What's the matter? Huh? What's the matter? Huh? Come on, let go of my fish. Come on, let go of him. Can't you let go? You're not gonna let go, are you? Like, heck no. Heck no. Okay, I'll have to get some pictures in and I'll let you have him.